Well, this is a Foxtrot for Juliet Bravo Romeo.
Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP.
Okay, Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP. Good evening and thank you for your call. My name is Ivan Yankee Victor Alpha November. Ivan is my name. Your signal report is 5858 with your QRP station, the QSL.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the QRP Labs QMX Ultra Portable QRP Single Sideband and CW Shortwave Transceiver. In today's video I'm going to show you my modifications I have made on this radio, and also I will show you a couple of contacts I made with this radio with low power with this antenna, or maybe even with the HEX Beam antenna, which is right above me. So wish me luck and hope that you will enjoy.
My main goal was to make this radio a standalone transceiver that can be used directly from the hand without using any additional cables except for the antenna. So let's take a closer look at these modifications. The first modification was adding a battery pack to the back of the radio, which connects to the radio via this short power cable with an angled connector. The cable with the connector had to be added to the battery pack since there was none originally. The battery pack contains these three MH12210 Li Tokala NCR18650B batteries with a capacity of 3400 mAh, which can handle high currents well and have built-in protection against the short circuit, overload and complete discharge. The total voltage at full charge is approximately 12.2 volts, which is ideal for the transmitter's output stages. This is not just a battery pack. If you look at the back side, you can find also this charging circuit. But in my case, this charging circuit doesn't work. I don't know why, maybe this chip is faulty. And therefore, I always have to charge each battery separately in my external charger. There is also a power switch that safely disconnects the radio from the power supply and prevents the radio from turning on by itself in your pocket when you accidentally press the on-off encoder button. The second visible modification is the new knobs. These are the same aluminum knobs that I have already used in the case of the ATS mini receivers. They are high quality and ergonomic. Thanks to the grip, they can be rotated easily between the fingers. Of course, the function of the encoder button has been preserved. And the third modification is no longer so visible at first glance, but it is very important. The PTT button. Yes, the PTT button is used to start transmission, especially if I use the radio directly from my hand as a handheld radio station. Therefore, I placed the PTT button on the upper sidewall for easy access for fingers. At the same time, the button can also be pressed when used on the table. To make the PTT button, I used a thin PCB from the Quansheng UVK5 radio, which also originally served as a side button. As you can see, there is still a micro button here, the pins of which I connect using thin cables to the paddle socket. The small PCB is glued to the QMX transceiver chassis on the other side with double-sided gel tape. The biggest challenge was drilling and grinding the wall around the hole so that I could hit the microswitch. I sacrificed another microswitch from which I used a plastic button only. That has to protrude a little through the case so that the PTT switch can be pressed. And the last modification, which unfortunately is not yet completely finished, is the addition of a miniature speaker. Since the QMX doesn't have one built-in, and the use of headphones is a must. For now, I have used this tiny speaker from the ATS mini receiver, but without an additional audio amplifier and appropriate impedance matching. The sound is not loud and of no quality.
The Kangoo TS930 I like so much. I like so much. It's a very great second. But I use it every day, this Kangoo, because it's fantastic with Kangoo. Find me in another similar webpage called hamqth.com, like Hotel Alpha Mike, Quebec Tango Hotel.
So I still plan some changes here. Of course, when I connect the headphones, the speaker automatically turns off. And as you can see on the front panel right next to the volume knob, I drilled 10 tiny holes in 2 rows of 5 with a 1mm drill and then covered them with a dust-proof cloth from the opposite side. And the speaker itself is glued with the double-sided tape to this panel.
Mike 9, Mike, portable calling, CQ and by.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP.
Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, QRP, QSL?
Yes, QSL, this is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango operator Paul. I'm running QRP, only 4 watts, only 4 whiskey. You are 55 QSL.
Thank you for the 55. You're also 55. You're doing a fantastic job with your 5 watts into central England. Operator name is Mike, QSL?
QSL Mike, QSL, thank you, but actually only 4 whiskey now. And the handheld transceiver connected into the HEX Beam antenna, QSL.
Yeah, you're 5 and 7 on your last probe with your 4 watts. Fantastic. Running about 90 watts here. I'm on the hilltop, 500 meters above sea level, QSL.
Oh, that's wonderful. That's wonderful. Thank you very much. I'm running on a big antenna here. It is the HEX Beam. Okay, thank you very much for the QSO and good luck with your activity. 73, over.
Thank you, sir. Must have taken, coming back to my call. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, QRP, Mike 9, Mike I wish you 73.
Thank you, 73.
Bye-bye now, QRP.
Nice. All this modification finally allowed me to use this radio as a pocket-size miniature handheld SSB transceiver with up to 4 to 5 watts of power on shortwave. Is it not that great?
And here is Mike again, but currently from outdoor location.
Yeah, I won't be hanging around too much longer, really. And I'll give you a phone call before I leave, QSL. Mike, portable. Mike 9, Mike, portable. Mike 9, Mike, portable, calling CQ and by.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP.
I got an Oscar Mike QRP, I think.
Yeah, QSL Mike, we spoke together this morning. I'm currently outdoors, QRP antenna.
You're about a 4x2, QSL.
QSL, 4x2, you are 5 and 7, 5 and 7, 5 and 7, Mike, over.
Yeah, thank you for the 57, and good to get you in the log. I'm still running about 90 watts into my dipole, QSL.
Yeah, Roger. I'm running only 4 whiskey, only 1, 2, 3, 4 watts, and the magnetic loop antenna in my garden, QSL. 5 and 5.
Now 55, QSL.
Oh, that's great. Thank you for the 5 and 5 from my garden. Thank you so much. And 73, have a good day, over.
Yeah, my pleasure. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, Mike 9, Mike Portable, 73.
73.
Bye-bye now, QSL.
Okay, good. And this is how it sounds like from this internal speaker. It's terribly weak. So definitely I have to do something with it. Well, let me try to make contact with this internal speaker. The sound is very tiny, but I can understand what he is saying. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango QRP. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango QRP. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango. No, I didn't make it. Well, QRP is fun, especially if you have such a small QRP single sideband transceiver. Also say a handheld transceiver in this case. Okay guys, so I hope that you enjoyed this video, and all the links you will find down in the video description. 73.